What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a package that's coming from Adidas. Actually, this is the first time I've done a miAdidas pickup. So let's crack this open. And this one is actually coming from Japan. I didn't know it was actually going to be coming from there. So let's crack this open right here. And this pair is actually not my shoe. I actually picked this up from my girlfriend. So let's see how these turned out. So, and with my Adidas, as far as what options you can actually do, there's not a lot that you can change. So, as you can see, you do have this box right here with the 3 stripes. You have the Adidas branding right there, but there's no actual label on it. So, oh, you do have a dust bag, which actually I wasn't expecting, right there, which is nice. You got the Adidas branding. Yeah, so I wasn't actually expecting a dust bag with this. And here they are. So these are some Stan Smith, like with straps. So again, she picked the red color here with the white straps, and then she put the gold with the Stan Smith labeling right there, and also on the tongue itself. You know, again, pretty simple shoe that you can wear casually. And here is the other one right here. And then the interior is actually also leather as well, the white leather inside. So, and then as far as the insole, oh, it's actually glued in, so I don't want to pick it, but it does have more Adidas branding on it, and it does have that Ortholite, I guess, insole in it. So just a quick video of a shoe that I did with miAdidas. And again, and also one thing that's kind of weird, since I live in New Jersey, usually when I do pick up shoes online, I don't have to pay taxes because New Jersey doesn't charge tax, but this one actually did. So I should have to find out why. So if anybody else has done a miAdidas before in the state of New Jersey or any state that doesn't charge taxes, just wondering if you guys got charged tax as well. So, alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.